Good morning, class 3rd. Class, this is your English Literature workbook, and today we'll start chapter 9th, The Balloon Man. What's the chapter's name? The Balloon Man. So, class, this is your unit 5th, chapter 9, The Balloon Man. In this chapter, in this exercise, you will solve the same question that you have understood in your chapter 9th of textbook. Okay? Chapter's name is The Balloon Man. So, let's start it. The first question is vocabulary. Vocabulary means word meaning. Okay. So the first question is choose and write the words from the poem that rhyme with the words given below. Class, here in this question there are some words. Okay. And you have to write their rhyming words from the poem. You have to write these rhyming words from the poem. Okay. You have to choose them from the poem, The Balloon Man. So the first is days. So rhyming word of days is stays. S-T-A-Y-S, stays. Next is green. So you can write between, small, all, go, below, bunch, lunch, day, away, string, anything, high, sky. So clear, class? How to do this question? You have to write here rhyming words of these given options, okay, from the poem. Now next thing is write one word for the following. Class, here in this question there are some clues. You have to write, you have to find out and understand this clue and then write in one word. Okay, just like number first is an area where people buy and sell goods. Goods means objects or things. Okay, so now tell me where we find or buy or sell our things from the market now. So here you will write market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Clear? Next thing is a number of same types of things typed together. Okay, so a number of same type of things like bundle. Okay, so whenever there is a group of anything, there is a bundle of anything which are tied together, so we say bunch. Okay, B-U-N-C-H, bunch. Okay, it is a collective noun word. Next thing is a shape having 4 straight equal sides and 4 angles of 90 degree. So it is called a square. Okay, square has 4 ways, so it is called a square, S-Q-U-A-R-A, square. Next thing is a meal eaten in the middle of the day. In the middle, okay, there are 3 times we eat: morning time, noon time and evening time. So in the morning we take our breakfast, in the noon time, middle means noon na, so noon time we take our lunch, in the night time we take our dinner. So middle time means noon time, so here we will write lunch. Clear? Next thing is twisted threads for tying things together. Okay, twisted threads, it is called string. Okay, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. Clear? Next thing is to pull something hard in a direction, so it is called tug, T-U-G, tug. Okay, to hold tightly. Clear? To pull something hardly in particular direction, so it is called tug, T-U-G, tug. So clear, class? How to do this question? Next thing is, now next question is reading. Read the given stanzas and answer the following questions. Here there are some stanzas. Okay, you have to read these stanzas and answer some questions. So the first stanza is, he always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. Here it is a short description of that balloon man. Okay, that he always comes on market days. When the market is open, he always comes. Okay, and also he holds a bunch of some beautiful and lovely colorful balloons in his hand. Okay, and where he stays at the square of the market, and he never thinks about his lunch or food. He only wants to sell his colorful and beautiful balloons, okay, to the children. So now the first question is, who comes on market days? So now answer me, class. Who comes on market days? A balloon man. Okay, a balloon man comes on market days. Next, what does he hold? He holds balloons. Okay. Next, where does he stay? He stays in the market. Okay, where he stays? He stays in the market. Next, which word in the stanza is opposite of always? So, opposite of always is never. Okay. What is the opposite of always? It is never. So, clear? Now, next stanza is, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Okay? When this balloon man stays at the market square, he holds many different colorful balloons. Some are big, some are small, and he holds all these balloons with a string. Okay, he tied all these balloons with a string. Okay, and suppose that if there is a wind, okay, suddenly if there is a wind and the wind wants to take all these balloons with it, the balloon man holds all these balloons very tightly. Okay, so now come to the question. What are the different types of balloons? They are big and small, so you will write big and small. How are they tied? They are tied with a string. What does the wind do? The wind tugs the balloons. Okay, so clear how to this question? Now next thing is, now this is your next question, language corner. Question number A. Underline the naming words and write them in the proper columns given. Class, here in this question there are some sentences. You have to find out the naming word. Naming word means noun word, name of place, person, animal or thing. So firstly you have to find out the naming word and then also you have to underline them. Okay, just like in number first, a young boy was swimming in the river. So here in this first sentence, the word boy and river are naming words. Okay, so here also you have to write according to the correct column. Just like here in the first column you will write the person's name, here names of animals or birds, here place names, and here things name. So here in number first sentence, the word boy is a person name, so here we write in this column, and the word river is a non-living thing. Okay, so you will write here in this column. Okay, river is not a person, not animal, bird or place, so you will write in river things column. Now next sentence is, I have a dog. It likes to eat bread and meat. It lives in a kennel. So here in this, the word dog, bread, meat and kennel, these all are naming words. Okay, and dog is an animal name, so we'll write in this column. Bread and meat are things name, so we'll write here in this column. And kennel is also a thing name, so we'll write in things column. Okay, bread, meat and kennel you will write in things column. Now third sentence, my grandfather lives in a village. He has a big farm. He has many cows, buffaloes and a house on the farm. So here in this sentence, the words grandfather, village, farm, cows, buffaloes, house, these all are noun words. Okay, and grandfather is a noun word. Okay, sorry, person name, so we'll write in this column. Okay, village is a thing name, village and farm is are things name. So sorry, places name, village and farm are places name, so we'll write in this column. Okay, cows, buffaloes are animals name, so we'll write in this column. Okay, and house is a thing, so we'll write here in this column. Clear how to this question? Next is, we go to the school in the morning. So here in this, the words school and morning, okay, both are noun words, and school is a place na, so we'll write in this column. And next is, we are going to Ooty in the summer vacation. So here in this, the word Ooty and summer vacation are noun words. Okay, and the word Ooty is a place name, so we'll write in this column. So clear how to this question? Next is choose and write the correct words from the box. Class, here in this question there are some words, okay, there are some phrases. You have to complete them by suitable noun word, okay, and these are collective nouns word, okay, this is called collective noun. Just like the first is a litter of puppies, okay, what do we call the group of puppies? We will say litter, a litter of puppies. Second, a school of fish, okay, what do we say the group of fishes? We say school of fish. Next, a herd of sheep, okay, what do we say the group of sheep? Herd, okay, a herd of sheep. Next, a bunch of grapes, what do we say the group of grapes? Bunch, we say bunch, a bunch of grapes. Next, a swarm of bees, what do we say the group of bees? We say swarm, a swarm of bees. Next, a flight of stairs, okay, what do we say the grouping of stairs? We say a flight of stairs. So clear how to this question? Now this is done. Next is, now this is the last question in this creative writing. Paste or draw a picture of our national flag. Describe it by completing the sentences using the words given in the box. Class, here in this question you have to do two things. Firstly, here in this space you have to paste or draw. You can also draw it and you can also paste it, the picture of our national flag, Tiranga. Okay, here in this space you have to draw or paste the picture of our national flag, Tiranga. Okay, and after this, here there are some description about our national flag. Okay, you have to complete them by using the suitable words from these options. Okay, so you will start like this. Our national flag is tricolored. The strip at the top is saffron in color. It stands for strength and courage. The middle strip is of white color. It stands for peace. The green strip is at the bottom. It stands for prosperity. There is a wheel on the white strip. The color of the wheel is blue. It is called the Ashok Chakra also. It shows the continuous development. If there is any spelling mistake or spelling confusion, you can write from here. Okay, so it shows the continuous development of our nation. We lovingly call the flag the Tiranga also. We should honor our national flag. Okay, so this is the description of our national flag. Okay, if there is any confusion with any spelling, you can write from these options. So clear class, how to this question? So here this unit, unit 5, chapter 9, the balloon man, book exercises totally completed. Okay, these are your workbook exercises. This is totally completed, so it's enough for the day. Thank you.